Hello everyone, and a massive good morning from me and Ali.
Good morning.
So today we're going to clean a commercial kitchen extraction system in a local casino. So this is a big commercial job. We absolutely love working as a team to get these jobs done, and we're also going to video the lot so you can see how we work together and how professional we are. So stay tuned.
Bye.
A nice coffee before work. Who on earth drinks Coke and a coffee?
Me. Oh,
Right, babe, let's get a picture and we're tops. Smile.
I'm smiling. Is it a picture?
Right, before I carry out any commercial job, it's important that you carry out a toolbox talk with your team. The toolbox talk's the most valuable talk before any job, so it's important to discuss the job, discuss roles and responsibilities, discuss the hazards involved with the job and the working environment, and discuss the controls that must be in place to minimise hazards and minimise the chance of having an accident or an incident. And we'll also discuss any emergency procedures, and we give the team the chance to ask any questions at all, because any uncertainty can also lead to an accident or an incident. So first of all, a good toolbox talk will always talk about the job we're doing today. So today, Ali, we're cleaning the extraction system of the commercial kitchen. We're going to remove all these filters and we're going to place them in a chemical to seep. Then you are going to work on one side to clean the grease inside the extraction system, and I'm going to work on this side to clean the grease. Once we're finished cleaning the grease from inside the extraction canopy, we're then going to work together to clean the filters and remove the grease from them as well. So have you got any questions?
No.
Right, brilliant. The biggest hazards for today's work, first of all, is the chemical we're going to use. So this is a very strong chemical. So when we're mixing the chemical, we must have our full-length chemical gloves. We must have our glasses on so we don't splash into your eyes. And we must also wear a mask when we're mixing it, because it gives off powerful fumes which could cause damage. So once we've mixed the chemical, we're going to be climbing up a height, so working at height. We've got ladders which we're going to inspect before we use. We've also got with grip boots on so we don't slip from the surfaces. We're also going to put a sheet on the surface to protect the surface and minimise the chance of slipping. When we're working inside the canopy, there's a risk of bumping your head. So we're going to be wearing bump caps in order to protect our head when we're inside the canopy. Access and egress. So access and egress is all clear in the case of a fire alarm. So we know exactly where to go and we know where the fire assembly point is. Moving parts. We haven't got access to any moving parts here, but when we do work on the fan, we'll use a padlock to lock the fan off so nobody else can turn it on when we're actually working in this in the fan system. Slips, trips and falls, so the housekeeping's good in the area. We need to be careful of these sharp edges, the sharp corners on the sides of the benches. And if we do have any spillages, we'll clean it up immediately and we'll put a floor sign out. Have you got any more questions?
Will I need to tie my hair up?
Yes, so tie your hair up and then you'll have your bum cap on. If you get the chemical on your skin at any time, stop what you're doing and wash it off straight away. Okay, but try and keep your glasses on all the time to protect your eyes. So we already know what the fire alarm sounds like, and he's told her where the muster point is. So if the fire alarm does go off today, because there's going to be no fire drills, we must go to the muster point immediately. But other than that, yeah, I think we're good to go. Brilliant. So Ali insisted we got some in our pink gloves.
Like a pink penny there.
That looks kind of good, that. Right, so that's Ali in her full PPE. She's got her full chemical gloves on. She'll wear the mask when we're mixing the chemicals. She's protecting her eyes, she's protecting her head, and she's protecting everywhere else. Tuck in your tassels, tuck them on the inside. Don't want them getting caught in anything. So that's Ali, all ready to go. So this is a strong chemical. It's a foam solution because the foam seeks into the grease better. Then we can remove it with rags. So I soak everywhere. It's important that you don't get this chemical on your skin. If you do, you've got to wash it off straight away. That'll do. Now that's what you call grease buildup, fire hazard being removed.
It's so awkward to get in here. Huh?
You do a brilliant job, Abby.
Yes.
Good
It's
job,
quite
Sam.
therapeutic, actually. If I could climb in, I would.
Right, I couldn't get out of it one. Right, so we're finished cleaning inside the canopy. We've removed as much grease as possible. So now we're just cleaning up the outside. All the waste, the greasy rags, are all contained safely. And so is the solution that's contained. And we have a registered company that comes and collects all the hazardous chemicals so we don't affect the environment. Right, so that's the end of the commercial job. So before we leave the premises, we'll always do a sign-off sheet. So just to go through, Ali, we're happy that all the grease is cleaned off.
Yeah.
So that's minimal fire risk, clean to TR19 standards. We've replaced all the filters. Yep. Have we cleaned all the tops?
Yeah.
And have we cleaned all the floors?
Yes. I've mopped.
Mopped the floors, brilliant. And have we removed the wet floor signs?
Yes.
Brilliant. So I'm happy that we can sign this job off. Is there anything in particular you think we can improve on? I'll do better next time.
Work-wise, no, but more the safety for me.
So what in particular?
A better hat that fits. Just had my extensions done, I would have burnt my hair. Make sure my hair's tied up. So it's more me, isn't it, that I need to be checking myself. And the gloves didn't fit either, so I felt like they were getting in the way for cleaning.
So we need thinner gloves.
Yeah. Brilliant. That was about it.
So that's the end of this commercial job. And we're happy we've smashed it as a team. See ya.
Bye. I look well different at the beginning of the video.
Right, so we've decided to come to another job whilst we're here in Newcastle. And what we'll have to do is empty the grease out of this grease trap and then dispose of it safely through a proper certified environmental waste collection company. So we're basically going to start using a jug to fill these tubs and then clean it after. And there's the finished product. So we'll be back again, probably in about 3 to 4 months to empty that again. So that's us finished cleaning for the day, straight to Christmas market and get a nice gyro. Look how naughty that looks.